So we almost missed this complete section. So often, representation of data happens in very discrete subject areas like math like science, and that representation always happens after the fact. So what's the added benefit here?
Number one, it's a completely different type of way to represent data. Number two, the added bonus to this setup here is that discretely everybody is using tools to help represent the data at each station here.
Well,
it's
let's
amazing.
get data tracking.
Yeah, let's go, man.
All right.
Basically, we're representing how many languages we speak. You can speak one language. They give you a blue piece of thread. The orange pieces of thread are for 2 languages, and 3 or more languages is purple. And then everybody ties a knot on one end of this this section here, and then weave the rope through the different wires here, and you add it to the rest of the data on this large install. Super cool.
I love it. All right,
amazing.
Next station.
Awesome, let's go.
We're going to measure off. There's a scale over here for the decades in which you were born. And so KO was born in the 70s, I was born in the 80s. And so we were going to mark 7 and then 8 inches respectively on this pre-painted wood. Put it all together. This is an ingenious example of data representation from the New York Hall of Science. And we're going to make an awesome 3-dimensional histogram with all of this data set.
Okay, come from that.
Oh, you can come here.
So we were just explained how this one works. It's a hammer and nail station. Based on how you got here, you get a sticker. So pink tells you that the person flew here.
So that was so amazing. I'm actually exhausted. While we were doing that, I couldn't stop thinking about the blending between the tool use and the data representation and the different materials, right?
Yeah. What's really cool about this exhibit was the possibilities of this kind of concept.
Everything that we did in there is linking grade 7 and grade 8 math through the probability and statistics unit. It's incredible.
Yeah, and the artistic side of it, my favorite one was the whole landscape with the pieces of wood, right?
Yeah.
And what I was really thinking about was that the same set of data could look completely different another day.
This is why I love coming down to Maker Faire, because you see examples of really well curated pieces that are simple and they have such a meaningful content to them, and we bring it back and there's all kinds of things and different interpretations that you can do. It's really powerful.
All right, so should we move on to something else?
Something else, but first, food.
Food is next, right? Big time. All right, let's go.